We're going to see about the profit and loss. So price related to item or buying and selling. So buying and selling involves the profit and loss. So buying price of any item is known as its cost price. So the buying price, the what amount we bought the anything, we call it as cost price CP, and the price at which you sell is known as the selling price SP. So if cost price is less than the selling price, then you made a profit, and the profit will be selling price minus cost price. We can find a profit by selling price minus cost price. If cost price is greater than the selling price, then you made a loss, and we can find the how much loss we have done by subtracting the cost price and selling price, that is CP minus SP. Next, if cost price and selling price are equal, then you are in a no profit or no loss, then it will be equal. So here the profit or loss as a percentage. So we are going to find a percentage of the profit and percentage of the loss. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. This is the same as the increasing and decreasing percentage. Here profit is how much is the amount that we got extra divided by the cost price is original into 100. The same for loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss is the how much we lose, and by the original the cost price into the 100. So here we are going to find the problems. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find the profit percent or loss percent in each cases. So Gorning share bought for 250 and sold for rupees 325. So bought, the buying price is a cost price. So cost price is equal to rupees 250, and the sold, that selling price is equal to rupees 325. So cost price is less than selling price, so it is a profit, right? So how much profit? The profit we will find by selling price minus cost price. So selling price is a 325 minus cost price is a 250, and the difference is 75. So profit is the 75, and they said that, and also find the profit percent or loss percentage in each case. So the profit percent, the percent I will write the symbol profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. So profit is a 75 by the cost price is a 250 into 100. So the 0 is get cancelled, and 10 and 25, 75 and 25 one time, 75 3 times. So 3 into 10 is 30. So profit percentage is 30. So we go for the next problem. A skirt bought for rupees 250. So cost price is rupees 250, and the sold, so selling price is rupees 150. So we have to find first whether it is profit or loss. Can you say whether it's profit or loss? Cost price is greater than selling price, so it is a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is a 250 and selling price is a 150. So loss by rupees 100, right? So, and also we have to find the loss percentage. So loss percent is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. So loss is 100 and cost price is a 250 into 100, right? 0 is cancelled, and 25 is for 4 times. 4 into 10 is 40%. So 40% is the loss. So I buy a TV for rupees 10,000. So cost price is rupees 10,000 and sell it at profit of 20%. So profit percent is equal to 20%, right? How much money do I get for it? That means after selling, they want to find the selling price. So it's a profit. So if you know what actual profit, then we can find the cost price, right? So actual profit is a 20% of the cost price, right? So profit equal to 20% of cost price, right? So 20 by 100, 20% of cost price. 20 by 100 into cost price is the 10,000. So 0 cancels, and 20 into 100 is a 2,000. So this is the profit we made, right? So they're given the cost price and profit percent. So from the cost price, from the CP, the 20% is a profit. So 20% of 10,000 is a 2,000. So 2,000 is the profit. But how much they sell? Do you need how much money do I get after selling? How much money total I will get? Not only the profit, we will get along with this, right? So we'll be getting that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So if it is the loss, we will be subtracting. Since it is a profit, we are adding. So cost price is at 10,000 and profit is the 2,000. So it is equal to 12,000. Clear? So if it is the question is about loss, we have to subtract. Since it is a profit, we are adding it for the selling price. Thank you.